Maahil Mysha.
Let's come together, come and play with Maahil and Mysha every day. One little puppy wagging its tail, running in circles, chasing the snail. Two little kittens purring so sweet, tapping their paws and dancing to the beat. Count with us, it's so much fun. From 1 to 10, then we're done. Jump, laugh, sing, and then let's start again from 1 to 10. Three fluffy bunnies hopping along, wiggling their ears to a happy song. Four quacking ducks in a big blue pond, splashing and flapping, they're so fond. Five little lions, golden manes, roaring out loud on the sunny plains. Six silly cows going moo moo moo, marching in line 1 2 3 2. Count with us, it's so much fun. From 1 to 10, then we're done. Jump, laugh, sing, and then let's start again from 1 to 10. Seven big elephants stomping their feet, swinging their trunks to a jungle beat. Eight cheeky monkeys climbing high, swinging from branches, oh my, oh my. Nine wise owls hooting at night, blinking their eyes in the pale moonlight. 10 little dolphins splashing in the sea, jumping up high, wild and free. Wow, that was so much fun! Can we count backwards now? 10 dolphins diving with a splash, 9 owls blinking in a flash, 8 monkeys laughing all day, 7 elephants stomp and play, 6 cats go moo on cue, 5 lions roar for you, 4 ducks flapping in the breeze, 3 bunnies munching on peas, 2 kittens curl up tight, 1 puppy on